Lakewood means rewind, a gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Naenaetwins, and I'm back again with another video. So check this. I'm thinking for y'all name, Be Great Nation. Y'all like that as the fans' names? I mean, we trying to be great out here, you know what I'm saying? Whether that's in our daily lives, dancing, whatever it is, we trying to be great out here. So I think that like suits y'all perfectly and what I want to represent. So anyway, this is the part 2. Okay, if you haven't seen the part 1 of the Savage TikTok tutorial dance, go ahead and get on that. I'm gonna put it in the description below. Okay, let's get into this tutorial. I made it simple for y'all. Y'all gonna look just like Naenaetwins that I'm gonna put right there. So that's about to be y'all. So pay close attention, have fun, get into something comfortable, and let's get it. And don't forget, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because it's free. Free. F-R-E-E. That spells free. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, baby. As always, if you learn the lyrics, you always end up better. So when you do the TikTok, hip, tick, tock, bring it down to your chest, and you go over you. Okay. When I dance, then you come up, put your hands behind your head. On my, pick it up, on my, then put it down. Time. Then you turn to the side. OnlyFans. Okay, so I can't like necessarily break and give you like a name for each of the steps, but if you follow along, you're gonna get it. So then step 2, after OnlyFans, reverse back with the left foot, crisscross, lean over to your right, lean over to your left, pump twice, sway. Ooh, that's cute. On my big B's, and my B stands for, and you double pump, and then you sweat. Okay, good. So do it again. So after OnlyFans, on my big B's, lean up, lean right, then you're gonna come up, palm fake up, and then you're gonna like just rock with it. Okay. Okay, here we go, y'all. Okay, after OnlyFans, then you big B's, cross it, and that B stands for bands. Okay, if you wanna see some real, then you come up like this, right, left. Okay, so let's do it again. Big B, and that stands for bands. If you wanna, then baby, here's your chance. Okay, that's good. This dance is hard. This dance is hard. This is not your average TikTok dance. Let's get it. Big, cross. Okay. Woo, chile. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for that one because it's hard to explain it and dance at the same time, you feel me? So, you feel me? Alright, so this next piece should be pretty easy. So you are facing this way. So now you're gonna like turn like left cheek, right cheek to where your back is facing the camera. Then you drop below, drop below this thing. Then you crisscross your legs, but you just turn slightly to the side. Then you bend over, shake a little booty. But at the same time, you Texas all on this thing. And then take that right leg. Then it's like you're like posing. Dun, dun, get you off on this thing. Gang, 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 gang. Woo! Coming out of that, boop, boop, boop.
Bop, boop, beep, bop, bop, boop, bop. You're dead. That's for Cynthia.
Then you're gonna lean back, right? And then you're gonna get to like a low dip, but then you're gonna reverse. I don't even know. I don't even think I did that right. So get you on this thing, dip low, gang, gang. And then you're like, gang, 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 gang. That's like literally the easiest part of this dance. Like, I love that part, okay? So let's do it again. So get you on this thing. Something, something, get you on this thing. Gang, 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 gang. Okay? So then after you gang, 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 so then you're pumping yourself up. If you don't have to get jeans on, then you don't feel my pain. Okay? Let's try it again. If you don't jump to put jeans on, then you don't feel my pain. So it's gonna be a whole dip, okay? So if you don't jump to put jeans on, then you don't feel my pain. Okay? So if you don't jump to put jeans on, then you don't feel my pain. Good. So the next one, your arm is just resting on your leg like this. So it's just like, please don't get me hype. And then you bring your right leg in. Write my name in ice. So real cool with it, okay? So again, that right leg is out. Your left arm is just chilling. So please don't get me hype. Write my name in ice. So after that, y'all, write my name in ice. Then you hop, bow, hop, bow. I just raised my price. Let it go. Okay. Something, bow. Then you hop, then with your right bow, and then throw the money while you're sliding back, and then throw it like that. So good, yeah, that one, that's attitude right there. That's flamboyancy. That's, ooh, I'm a dancer now. When you do that move, child, ooh, chile. So after I just raised my price. Your right leg should be back. Now you're bringing it forward. I'm a boss. You can just do whatever you want for the boss. I'm a leader, they salute. Okay. Then, so now your left leg is out front. Okay. Now you're gonna bring your right leg back out front, but you're gonna try to face all the way back. Cause you're like, am I two-seater? Okay. Good. So let's do it again. I just raised my price. Right leg out. I'm a boss. I'm a leader. Right leg's back up. I pull up in my two-seater. Last step. I just raise my price. I'm a boss. I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater. And my mama was a savage.
Out of here with the
One shaky.
You can go. That's why I call it Tina. And then I'm a savage.
I don't care who you are, shaky.
Honestly, I feel like that part is not too technical. As long as you shift from, because this is two-seater and my mama. Okay, you can just do the whirlwind. And then body roll twice. And then that's what got that from Tina. Take your arm around Tina. And then you come back, whoa, as hard as you can.
I'll tell you what you are.
Ooh, that was fun, so let's get it. This is how it's supposed to look like.